Hello friends, today we will learn the ways to give reasons for a past situation or a completed action. In how many ways can we give reason for a completed action or a situation in the past? The ways are: we can use past continuous tense, we can use past perfect tense and the past perfect continuous tense. But we cannot use past indefinite tense to give reason. Let's see the examples for the same. Try putting all the options in both the blank spaces and see the meaning of the sentence. Now let's complete the first sentence. Okay. The child was crying because he was hungry. The child was crying. Why? Because he was hungry. Okay. As I told that the past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous could be the reason for an action or situation of past. So he was hungry is not a past continuous tense, is not any of those three, but it is equivalent to past continuous as it is expressing a situation of past. So he was hungry is one of the correct options. Now let's put the second option in the first blank space. The child was crying because he had not eaten anything. Yes, this too is a correct option. Because he had not eaten anything is past perfect tense. It means it's a complete action. The child was crying, it is a situation of past. What is the reason of this situation? A completed action is the reason. And what is the completed action? He had not eaten anything. So to give a reason for a situation, we can use past perfect tense this way. Now try the third option. The child was crying because his father was beating him. The child was crying in this situation. What is the reason for this situation? Another situation. His father was beating him. It is another situation, another action being performed. So we can use past continuous for the reason. Try the fourth option. The child was crying because he had been hungry since morning. It is similar to he was hungry, but here the time has been given. Morning time has been given. Means it is a situation which continued from morning and was still continued at the time of the child's crying. The child was crying. His father had been beating him since morning. Number 5th. This is a past perfect continuous tense and it is a situation which continued from morning until the time the boy was crying. Use the number 6. The child was crying because he did not eat anything. This is not the correct option. He completed an action and this is the reason. But for the completed action as a reason for something in the past, past perfect tense is used. Similarly, the second gap space could be filled with the option, but the option number 6 is not the correct option. If you want, you can pause the video and try to fill the second gap with the options and check whether the meaning of the sentence is logical or not. Okay, thanks for watching.